Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock in the list is Tata Motors. In today's session, after breaking this trend line, Tata Motors made a extremely sizable bullish bearish candle, and if you see, there is no next support level. So if it goes below the current market price, which as around 147.50, so we are looking at a round figure of 147. So if you see any movement below 147, could see Tata Motors getting at this particular level. So tomorrow could be a decent bearish day in Tata Motors. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Bharti Infratel. On daily chart, you can draw a support level. This support level has been touched multiple times. On the last down rally, the support was breached, but due to profit booking, you see a wick right after the support level. As for the today's session, you can see a sizable bearish candle, and it is touching the support level. So tomorrow's session, the important level to watch out for if you want to trend in down direction is 189. If that is the level which brings in more seller, you can see Bharti Infratel touching the level of 180. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is BPCL. If you look at the daily chart, you can easily draw a support line, and this support level has been touched multiple times. So this support level is no longer a stronger level. So in tomorrow's session, if you see any movement below 399, also the most important thing is that in today's session, BPCL managed to broke the round number of 400, and the current market price stand as 399. So any price below 399 can come to this level or even this level, depending upon how steeper the down movement is. If you want to know all the important levels that we just discussed for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Havells India. You can also draw a trend line over here, which was, I will draw a better trend line. This is the one which was broken in today's session. So in tomorrow's session, if Havells India goes below the market price is 665, you can see it is coming closer to the level of 650. So that is the level we are watching out. The momentum is bearish in Havells India at the moment.